These are the all-new Nordic Deluxe outdoor planters and lanterns, designed to bring life and sophistication to gardens, terraces, backyards, and anywhere you spend time outside. After searching long and hard, we finally found a recyclable material that could survive both direct sunlight and freezing cold temperatures as low as -20 degrees Celsius. Perfect for a product specifically engineered to be outside all year long, in all kinds of weather. The Nordic Deluxe planters are IP65 certified water resistant to protect all of the goodies we've put inside. First, each planter is equipped with a Bluetooth speaker, perfect for setting the mood or jump-starting a party. And what's more, each speaker can wirelessly link to every other Nordic Deluxe in the vicinity, letting you fill the space with whatever tunes you choose, while keeping the space discreet and uncluttered. Simply open the Nordic Deluxe app and start playing your music. No wires, no mess, only easy wireless connectivity. Have you ever wanted to add a little more ambience to a night in the garden? Each Nordic Deluxe planter is a lantern too. LEDs housed in the translucent bases emit beautifully soft light, no matter which color you choose. Nordic Deluxe is perfect for interior decoration too, with a host of programmed light presets to help you create the perfect atmosphere for every occasion. All of the Nordic Deluxe planters and lanterns have built-in rechargeable lithium-ion batteries that provide a truly wireless experience. No cords, no fuss. And since the speakers are Bluetooth, you don't need a connection to the internet either. It's true freedom. Every lantern can play your favorite songs and light up your space simultaneously for up to 8 hours, letting you relax in the special atmosphere you've created for your special moment. Whatever your space is, be it a window box, balcony, or full flower garden, let us help you improve and beautify it with high-quality, enduring Danish design. Back the Nordic Deluxe planter and lantern today.